This is an installation video on how we installed an eTrailer Class 3 trailer hitch with a Pro Eclipse 4 bike rack. In order to make things easier, we are using a lift to raise the car. In this case, a 2017 Kia Sorento for easy access under the vehicle. We are going to need to remove the spare tire, the muffler, and the plastic box on the driver's side of the vehicle to be able to install the hitch. Here you can see the spare tire that we'll be removing. We also used another lift to help hold the hitch in place to make it easier to fasten it in. We did a test bit on the hitch to determine if everything was going to align properly before removing the tire and the plastic box.
You like?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The spare tire is dropped by cranking the access point inside the car, which drops the tire on a pulley system.
Okay.
A tool is provided by Kia to assist in this process.
All right, close your door. Down. Let's see.
This is the plastic box that needs to be removed. There are two plastic nuts that go straight in. Those two plastic nuts typically break when the manufacturer installs them, so we will need to repair them before installing them later on. The rest are push clips. Now we are able to get where the bolts go in. The one on the driver's side are larger than the ones on the passenger's side, just as a note. Next, we just need to tighten up the horizontal bolts.
Oh, nice.
As you can see, the installation process is fairly straightforward. When putting the plastic nuts back on, you just want to lightly snug them with a hand tool so that you do not strip them any further than they may already have been. If they are stripped, we're going to show you how to work around this issue without buying a new one.
Okay, what you do, the factory nuts that hold the little plastic shroud on the left rear break when they install them. So you take a nut, 10mm nut, you put it inside the nut like that, and then you can put it up on the stud that's up inside the car. Here, I can go and see. Can you go up here and see the hole? Screw it. Put some light on the hole.
Mm-hmm. And again, you just want to make sure you lightly snug it back in to hold it in place.
That one's snug, this one's snug. Let's just put the
The push clips can be a pain to put back in, so you need to work with them some with a screwdriver to push the legs back in.
reusing the old rivet sucks. See what they're all spread out. You have to push them back together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're all in.
If you remove the muffler like we did, then you just need to reattach it at this point. While the tire was down, it was a good time to check the air pressure of the tire, as ours was at 30 psi instead of the recommended 60.
Nobody ever checks the spare tire. £60. There you go.
At this point, you can put the spare tire back on. You can see here the tool that is used to crank the spare tire up and down. Here we're bringing it back up. Cranking away. We are now able to attach the bike rack.
It doesn't come with a...
According to the instructions, you were supposed to thread this in on the passenger side, not the driver's side. The threads are on the wrong side. So, don't know what that's all about. 7/8.
Or whatever, silly millimeter, 7/8. I see. If I tighten it down like that, it won't wobble.
Nope. Wobble gone.
There you go. You want to open it down, you take the pin out, and you let it down like that.
Mm-hmm. Cool. And that is it. You now have a Class 3 trailer hitch installed and a bike rack to reach all your mountain bike trails. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos soon.